Just pinch here like this to remove the worm. See, the worm is pointing mouth now, so I'll remove it gently. Look at this. Put it here and then pick another one. Look at how big this one is. So I'll do the same. So look at this. Look at the meat. Look at this oyster, it's very big. This one is very big. So this is it. I've removed it from the shell. Then I will look for the worm. The worm is somewhere here. Look at the worm, pointing head. Look at the worm. Look at it. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove oysters. This is oysters. I bought these oysters yesterday, so I put them in water because they survive with water, so that they will not die. So that is the reason I soak them in this water. So let's remove it from the shell together. If you don't know how to remove it, watch me. So this is oyster. This is how it looks, and this is my knife. So I will place the knife like this and divide the shell into two. See? Like this. I'll open it gently. Look at the meat inside. Then I'll scrape the wall of the shell like this to remove the meat. Then scrape this other side. See? Wow. So this is the oysters. This is the oysters. So these oysters now, there is worm inside. There is worm inside. So I will just pinch here like this to remove the worm. See, the worm is pointing mouth now. So I will remove it gently. Look at this. Thank you. So this is the worm. Can you guys see? I can't pick it because of the water. It's slippery. This is the worm that I remove. It's slippery. Then I will remove the poo. So when I remove it like this, I'll keep it aside, put it here, and then pick another one. Look at how big this one is. So I'll do the same. Open it gently. Look at the meat. Look at this oyster, it's very big. This one is very big. So this is it. I've removed it from the shell. Then I will look for the worm. The worm is somewhere here. Look at the worm pointing head. So I'll remove the worm gently. Look at the worm. I have to take it easy so that it will not cut inside. Look at the worm. Look at it. That this oyster has all this worm, will you be able to eat it again? Tell me on the comment section if you will be able to eat it after discovering that there is worm inside here. But is this thing really warm? That is what I want to ask. Are they really warm? Because if you look at them, they are not moving. Look at it. They are not moving. Or are they moving inside the oysters? Maybe when I bring it out, they will die immediately. I don't understand. If they are really if they are the real worms that we know. I do not know. Tell me on the comment section if you see worm or you just discover that there is worm in oysters. Will you eat it again? Last one. Go to the other side. So you can use oysters to cook soup. You can use it to cook any food of your choice. You can use to make stew rice. Any food you can eat, or you can garnish it, fry it, and eat. Okay, so guys, look at all the oysters. Okay, so I will add salt and wash it. Look at them moving. Wash it with salt. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. The show. This is the Oysters. Thank you very much for watching. This is the end of the video. Bye guys.